Ate Bree.
We're doing at the same time.
Ate, konti lang, konti lang.
Okay, I'll go on.
Caleb! Caleb! Baby! Nak! Caleb!
So epic is here. It's so epic.
Caleb!
I'm going downstairs. That's right there.
Ate! Picture! Tingnan ni Mami. Ate!
We have a balcony.
Ayun yung blocks. Anak, gusto ni Caleb yung blocks. Ayun.
Come in there.
Ayun na pala yung blocks. That's okay.
Caleb, this is for you. This is for ours, okay? Don't take it. Mommy, can you bantay Caleb?
Kayla, don't put too much toys upstairs. The toys is only for here.
This is our room. That's your room. Yeah.
Caleb!